Hello, Dr. Bushore. We're going to talk about a new product we have here at Balcones Dermatology. It's called Votesse. This is a supplement that's for growing hair. What I like about this, the new product, is it's made without biotin, and that's been a problem in the past with other hair supplements. Biotin, people used to take a lot and think it was good for hair and nails, but it's been shown that it may not help that much, first of all. Second of all, it can interfere with certain lab tests. So it's just not a safe thing for people to be on a long-term basis anyway. This one's formulated, it has all these different things that can help grow hair. It also comes with a fancy foam that's been shown to help grow hair as well. It's a daily foam. It's not as heavy as the Rogaine. These hair care supplements, it's hard to know who it's going to work the best for. It is one of those things, may not work for everybody. That's the reason when I do hair treatments for men and women, we're trying to treat hair loss, I include it as a package deal where we treat with everything because they all work in different ways. So we sell a package of 4 PRP treatments with a laser helmet and the supplements because they all do different things. The PRP is going to have a bunch of growth factors, stimulate hair to grow. The laser helmet increases nitric oxide production that increases blood flow to the scalp. This is interesting. So they did a recent study, this is going to sound crazy, but they injected Botox into just around the scalp, into the muscles around the scalp, and people grew hair. Why would that make any sense? But their theory is because you're decreasing those muscle contractions, that it was increasing blood flow. So, there's all these, I'm not sure if I'm going to start doing that yet, but it is interesting to understand that maybe that's what that laser helmet's doing, is by increasing blood flow to the scalp, that may be enough to get that hair to grow. When you do the PRP, it's got all the growth factors. The laser helmet does turn on ATP production with the hair to grow it too, but then you have all these supplements along with it that can help stimulate hair growth. And we can also do, Propecia or other hormone pills like spironolactone for women and Rogaine. We can do all these things together. And what we do is we do everything for 6 months just to prove that we can get some hair growth. When we do this, we usually see hair growth. I used to pick them apart and I'll just do this for this person, this for this person, and it was hit or miss in whether it worked. And so you never know what's going to work for any one person, so I like to do them all together, and we can prove in 6 months either like, yes, it's working, and then we can just follow and see how we're doing. And we take before and after pictures to make sure we're making progress, but if you do everything for 6 months and it doesn't work, well, guess what? You're done spending money. That's it. You can wait for doing hair transplants or things like that. But when we do it, we're going to do everything, prove that we can get some hair growth, and then kind of just follow it, make sure we can maintain it. Excited about this new product though. I like this one. It's got everything to help grow the hair, but does not have the biotin. So the product is called Votesse. We have different formulations for men and women. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call here at Balcones Dermatology and we can get it set up for you.